Welcome to the beautifully uncomplicated world of container garden design. We're taking the guesswork out of it for you with these foolproof planting recipes. And this container recipe is called Here Comes the Sun. This one is for full sun, which means it's going to need at least 6 hours or more every day. For our thriller plant, we have Perilla. Perilla is pretty adaptable to both sun and shade conditions. For our fillers, I have a Geranium and also Angelonia, which can be thrillers as well, but these are going to be kind of thrillers and fillers. And then for my spillers, I have some Bacopa and Dichondra. And so I'm going to start first with some Biotone plant food starter that I just add a nice handful to the top. This is a 14-inch container that I'm planting in. Work that in a couple inches to give the plants a nice start. I'm going to plant this from the back to the front. That is your choice based on where you're going to be viewing it from. If you want to put your thriller in the very middle, or you can put it in the back and work your way forward with your fillers and spillers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plant my Perilla first, and this is a beautiful foliage plant with lots of coloration in it. Next, I'm going to use these geraniums. I picked this pink color to go with the Perilla. I think it goes with it very nicely. I like to pull off some of these bigger leaves at the bottom, yellowing leaves, which is very normal with geraniums in the bottom of the plant. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of this out, fill this up too much. Okay, and then I'm going to plant this right next to the Perilla. You can kind of move it around and see as far as placement. The next one I'm going to add in is this Angelonia. Again, this one comes in a variety of colors, usually pinks, purples, whites. And so these container recipes are totally customizable. We have kind of the basic plants, but you can find the geraniums or Angelonia and tweak the coloring to what you want to, what kind of look you want to create. Let's see. Next, I'm going to add 2 Angelonia in. Sometimes I add more than one just for a little more impact. And I really want this to really fill in. And now I'm going to add my spillers. So in the very front, I'm going to add this white Bacopa. And then there's a corner, little spot back here in between the Geranium and the Perilla. I'm going to add a Dichondra. These really spill nicely over the side, and this small leaf and silver color is going to be really nice. I'm going to add another Dichondra in here in between the Angelonia and the Perilla. And actually I'm going to add another Bacopa in here. So this is a little more instant gratification the way I planted these close together, but you can also do less and give it room to grow. It's just going to take a little more time to fill in, but that is okay too. And then I just like to give it a little shake to get some of the soil to settle in. So there we have Here Comes the Sun container recipe.